Hey, what's up guys? Thomas Feng with Bay Area Connect. Welcome again to this Friday's financial update brought to you by Frank Helmand of RPM Mortgage. Frank, why don't you first get us caught up on current interest rates?
Good afternoon everyone. To give you a snapshot of today's rates, FHA conforming rates are at 3.75% and agency FHA conforming rates are at 3.875%. And then you have your conforming conventional rates were at 3.875 as well, and then agency conforming conventional rates are at 4%, and then jumbos are up at 4.25%.
Great, thanks for that update, Frank. And today, again, just like every week, we'll be updating you guys on what's new and coming up in the financial market. So Frank, why don't you get us started off with that? What do you see coming up?
Absolutely. To give you some update on where the market's going and essentially the mortgage lending industry, the Fed has announced that there has been a lot of loosening up on lender guidelines, which means that they're essentially responding to the high demand by a lot of borrowers that are applying for credit and loans. We have had significant changes and have shown signs that the lenders are loosening up their guidelines, which means you can see significant changes with regard to credit requirements, in terms of the score, down payment requirements, as well as reserve requirements. Those changes are all to bring appeal to the borrowers that currently own a home and are on the fence about refinancing, or for those people that are up in their first time home buyer position. I would say, considering that rates are still at a record low, to take that step towards working towards your financial goals and take advantage of this low cost credit opportunity to apply for a mortgage. It's an exceptional time, and banks are seeing the significant changes in the economy and definitely working to help put those homeowners and potential homeowners in a better position.
Great, thanks for that update, Frank. And what about with the low interest rates? How do you see that factoring into this with the lenders also loosening up their requirements?
Some great things that are taking place to contribute to that, as I said, are since the guidelines open up cheap money, eventually it should make it very easy for people to qualify overall. So with that said, applying for a mortgage and less requirements and having it cost effective, you couldn't be in a better position. And these times again will be a time where a lot of people will be talking about it. For those that waited will be missing out, and for those that take it effect will be the few that enjoy a low cost credit.
Great, thanks for that update, Frank. So again, we're going to be seeing lenders loosening up their restrictions on buyers getting a loan for home borrowers looking to refinance as well. So now is really definitely a great time to get yourself immersed into the market. And with that, check out my blog at bayareaconnect.com. I'm going to be giving you guys an update for April 2012 and how the market has been doing in Sunnyvale, California. In April, we had a total of 80 new properties, 13 in the 600,000s, 9 in the 500,000s, and 20 below 400,000, for a total of 42 out of 80 below 700K. For sold properties, we had a total of 79 sold homes, 11 in the 600,000s, 10 in the 500,000s, and 23 in the 400,000s and below, with a total of 44 out of 79 sold homes below 700K. So right now we're having really good news. The market is definitely picking up, and we're seeing, with Frank's update, less restrictions on the loan side. So right now it's a really great time as a home buyer, even though it's a tough market, to really jump in and get yourself educated. To learn more and a more in-depth market report, check out my blog, bayareaconnect.com, or give me a call at 408-840-3852.
For all your mortgage lending needs, as rates change daily, feel free to give me a call at 650-630-2370.
Thanks for watching, and have a great week.
Have a great week, folks.